Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I am Mary. Be sure to subscribe and like before the end of this video. I have a new toy that I'm sure you guys have heard so much about that we're going to be using today to blow out my kinky 4B, 4C hair. So if you're someone who's been wondering if it will work on your texture of hair, I'm going to demonstrate that for you all. To be honest, when I initially got this thing in the mail, I was so leery about using it. I literally reached back out to the company and was like, yeah, can I ship this back to you guys? I'm really not sure if I'm gonna be able to do a video on it. I was so intimidated by the size. This thing is big. And it's heavy, y'all. It weighs like 18 pounds, but it's supposed to be a miracle worker. So maybe it's worth all this extra muscle that I'm having to use in order to pick it up and everything. So I am not a DIY girl. I'm not someone who likes assembling different things. So I saw the large box and I knew there were gonna be quite a few parts to put together, and I'm not about that life. So I was like, yeah, this is not for me. But I saw a video and this individual shared that it only took maybe 5 minutes to put it together. Y'all, I started putting this thing together and I was like, it took you 3 or 4 months to get started with this thing? Y'all, it literally only took like 3 minutes, if that. This thing was super easy and the instructional guide is so clear. So a dummy could literally do it in their sleep. It's really easy. Maybe not in your sleep, don't try that. But we're gonna get started with it. I'm gonna play around with the settings. This is gonna be my first time using it on camera. You also see on the website that this dryer is good for all hair types, which is awesome. I saw that curly textures can literally straighten or blow dry their hair in like 12 minutes. Now the texture that I saw was a looser curl, but 12 minutes to blow dry your hair is pretty awesome. Now for a coolier, kinkier texture like mine, I know it's gonna take longer. So we're gonna see. I'm not planning to straighten my hair, just to blow it out, because I'm gonna be doing a style after this. So yeah, we're gonna see. And my hair don't even wanna stay in the little clamp that they provide. But yeah, this is my texture. My hair is freshly washed. It is a bit damp, but we're gonna work with it and see what this thing can do. And I'm also gonna time how long it takes for me to do each side. I'm excited to see my hair blown out. I actually have not exposed my hair to heat in about a year. I did the second big chop in March and I have not used heat since then. So we're gonna see what my length is and see how well this thing works. Let's do this. I'm gonna try level 1 first and see what it does on the lowest setting. And then I'm gonna try maybe level 4 and then level 7. Okay, this is what it did on level 1, which is pretty decent for my texture. I have kinky hair now. Wow. Okay. Let's try it on level 4. Okay, this is what it did on level 4. And I'm not looking for my hair to be straight or anything, just blown out. And if you're wondering, it's not hot air, it's actually cool air. So it doesn't burn or anything. This would be great for a child. I'm definitely using this on my daughter when I have one. This is pain-free, tension-free. Wow, and I'm very tender-headed, so this is awesome for me. Let's try it on level 7, the highest setting. So I feel like the highest setting is the best for me. Now my hair was kind of wet, so it was pretty damp. Look at that, my hair is still cut really nicely. I'm just gonna trim my ends while we're here. All right, let's try the next section. I did not know what these symbols on this area of the wand meant, but I just looked at the instructional guide. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me move it in closer. Yeah, so this one right here means low temperature at 400 watts. This one is no heat, and then this one is high temperature at 800 watts. So I'm going to try it on the highest temperature and on level 7 and see what that does. My results were much better that time. I'm going to go through and do the entire right side and then come back on and share my thoughts. Okay guys, so this side feels and looks really good. Now it's definitely not going to straighten my hair. My hair is too kinky. But for someone who has a looser texture, I could very well see it straightening your hair, but not mine. But I really like the way it feels. The fact that I don't feel like my hair is being exposed to heat is awesome. So it's such a great way to blow out your hair. But yeah, this little device, a big device, it's just so heavy. It hurts my arm. I don't like having to hold it very long, but that's the only thing right now. That's just my main concern, is the weight of it. It just gets so taxing on my arm. But if you're okay with that, girl, go for it. So we're gonna do this side. This one took about 25 minutes. We're gonna do this one, which is the larger side, and see how long this takes. Let's do it. Okay guys, so I finished my full head. This side seemed to have done much better than this one. I'm not sure why, but Seems like this one was much faster and it stretched a lot more. Maybe because I knew what I was doing a little more on this side. I did go through and trim my hair during the process because it's not often that my hair is in a stretched state. So I'm just lightly trimming my ends. I will actually at my 1 year mark have a hairstylist trim my hair fully to make sure it's done very well, but I feel like I did a good job at least dusting. So we're gonna take all of these down and see what the entire look looks like. Wow, it is so cool to see my hair elongated. I'm not used to seeing my hair in a stretched state. This blowout is really cool because it was pain-free, it was quick, and it was really easy. Now, just keep in mind, you're gonna need some upper body strength. Mine is really weak. Like, I don't have much upper body strength at all. So I'd probably feel better if I had somebody else doing it for me. As you can see, this side kind of shrunk back up a little bit. Maybe I didn't hold it up there long enough. It states on the instructional guide that for coilier textures that you should leave it on for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. But yeah, this thing is heavy. I'm gonna have to play around with it. I think as I use it more, I'll become more familiar and the results will be much better. Look at that. So cool. I think it's definitely a good tool to have. If you're someone who's open to spending the $3.99 that it costs, it's quite expensive, but I feel like it does a great job. I really enjoyed using it. My arms are a little tired. I feel like I got my workout for today. So it's a twofer. This is what the back looks like. I'm really happy with my growth so far. This is great. If y'all go back and watch my big chop video, we've come a pretty long way in a year. Well, almost a year. I'll be a year from my second big chop in March. So, yeah. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I'm actually going to prepare my hair for crochet braids. And you all look out for that video. It's going to be coming soon. I love you guys. Be sure to leave your comments and feedback. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.